So you want to create a vector at right angle to two others. That's cross product. To put it simply, it's how you generate perpendicular directions. Unreal itself uses this mesh to figure out left, right, up, and down. To get it, just type in cross product. And as you can see, you can just click here and you will get this node. Now here we have two input nodes and one output node, all vector. Now to make you understand it better way, I have prepared a demonstration code here where I'm getting the actors forward vector and actors up vector, and I'm connecting the execution pin to cross product. Now what we are getting out of it is the right vector, and when we press begin play, you can see here what we are getting right. Super useful for strafing movement, procedural animations, aligning shield to surface, or generating camera rigs around the player. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.